What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid taper on my uncle, so stay tuned. I like to always start my tapers in the back area and get a feel of how the texture is cutting before I move on to the smaller area on the sides. Now that we're done creating our first guideline, we're gonna move on to the top and debulk with 3 guard all the way open. Now that we're done debulking the top area, we're going to move on to the back area and start off with our no guard all the way open. Using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our 1 guard all the way open and get ready for the half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 1 guard, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to create our 4th guideline and get ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 2 guard, we're going to move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Sometimes the line is very faint still, so you can move on to your 1 guard all the way open and use your corners to blend out the dark spots. Now that we're pretty much done with the taper, we're going to move on to the guard we used to debulk and use it midway and all the way closed to connect the bottom taper into the top half. Now that we're done with our neckline, we're going to move on to the side taper and make a slight rainbow shape with our Gold FX. Using our no guard all the way open, we're going to make our 2nd guideline and soften up the line with the lever all the way closed. Now that we've removed the initial guideline, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open and continue with that half rainbow shape. Using the 2 guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and get ready for the 1.5 guard. Using the initial guard we used to debulk the top, we're going to blend the side taper into the top half. After we were done detailing the side taper, we moved on to the hairline. I started off in the middle and worked my way to the left side. I also started on the bottom C-cup area and worked my way to the top. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. We're trying to get to 4,000 watch hours, so continue to watch the video. Using our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make him as crispy as possible.